Hi, I'm Abby and I'm 8 years old, and this is...
Hi, I'm Megan. I'm a dietitian. And what are we making today, Abby?
Today we are making a corn on the cob.
Great. What do we do first?
First, we wash our hands.
Great.
Because we don't want any germs.
Wet your hands with water and then put some soap on your hands. Rub your palms together. Clean the backs of your hands and in between your fingers. Wash your thumbs, your fingernails, and your wrists. And rinse the soap off with water. This should all take about 20 seconds or long enough to sing Happy Birthday twice. Dry your hands with paper towel. Okay, so we're making corn on the cob. Tell me about this corn on the cob.
Well, there's some silk, so you'll need to be careful because if you eat that, it might get stuck in your teeth.
It might get stuck in your teeth. So we've just got corn, that's all we need today. And what's the first step?
First, you need to peel off the leaves, but not all the way, just half.
Okay. So this step can be a bit tricky because sometimes the husks get stuck.
Yeah.
So just let me know if you need a hand. So you're just peeling them back gently so that we can take the silk out. That's it, that's good.
When you take the silk out, you have to put the leaves back on.
Mm-hmm. So that's why we're trying to save the leaves. We're just peeling them back a little bit to pull out the silk, and then we're going to wrap the corn up again.
Yeah. Kind of looks like an octopus.
It does kind of look like an octopus. So do you like corn?
Yeah, I like corn in the cob. We usually have it for dinner sometimes, but we haven't had it much now.
So you have it for dinner sometimes. It is a really good addition to dinner. It's something that you can have with your roasted up veggies or with some roast dinners.
You can also have it for lunch.
You could also have it for lunch.
Yeah.
And corn like this is also a really good snack.
Mm-hmm.
That's the way. So then we're just going to pull out that silk.
Yeah.
That's it. You can do a few bits at a time if it's hard to pull off.
The silk might get everywhere, so ask a parent for help.
It can get everywhere. It can be a bit messy, this first step, getting the silk off. But that's looking pretty good.
Can I please have some help?
You sure can.
It's
so we've
hard.
got quite a few. It is hard, that's right.
Because when you peel off the silk, it's kind of like it's stuck on the corn. It's okay if you have a little bit, but...
It does get stuck, and it is okay if you leave a little bit on there. It's just good to get off as much as you can before you cook it, because it's easier to eat without the silk on there. That looks pretty good. So now we're going to wrap it up again.
Yeah.
So just layer it back together.
We got to layer it back.
Yeah, that's it. So this is something that's usually pretty easy to do at home.
Yeah.
We're going to cook the corn. So for that step, you definitely want to make sure there's an adult to help you.
Yeah. Now we're going to put it in the microwave.
Okay. So we're going to set it in the microwave for 4 minutes.
Yeah.
Now, if you can't find corn in its husk at the supermarket, it's fine to buy corn that's pre-peeled. You'll just skip the first step, wrap it up in some paper towel and put it straight in the microwave.
Okay, it's cooking now.
Okay, so the corn has finished cooking in the microwave and we've left it to cool down for about 10 to 15 minutes. Now we're going to test if it's okay to pick up.
Okay.
So what do we do first, Abby?
So first we have to...
Open the microwave and check if there's any steam. So do make sure that you have an adult helping you with this step.
There's no steam, I
There's
can't
no
feel
steam?
any. It's fine.
It's fine? Okay. So we're going to take it out and then we need to peel back the leaves. So with this step, again, make sure you have an adult helping you because it can be hotter inside than it is on the outside.
Peeling.
Yeah, that's the way, just like that. And now at this point, if you want, you can add some flavourings like some cheese or we have some garlic powder. How does it taste?
Really good.
So there you have a nice veggie snack that you can have any time of day. You can have it on the go, you can have it with dinner or lunch.